Assalamu alaikum students, this is your science book of grade 1. This is the content. The first chapter is the green world. In this topic we learn about plants, okay, and stories that plants are living thing, describe trees and trees as habitats to many animals, okay, identify trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers around you, identify the different parts of plant and importance of the different parts of plants. Okay, what are plants? As you know that plants are living things and they can found around us. Okay, so plants are living things and plants are the habitat of many animals. What is habitat? Habitat means a place where living things live. Habitat means a place where animals live. It provides them food and shelter. What they provide? They provide them food and shelter. Okay, look at these pictures. Which animals lives on plant? Monkey, parrot. Okay, so plants are living thing and they are habitats of many animals. Habitat Plants come in different shapes and sizes. Here are some plants you might have seen around you. Trees. Trees are big plants. They are tall and strong. They have long branches. For example, neem tree, mango tree, guava tree, lemon tree, gulmohar tree. We have different types of trees, and trees are big. They are tall and strong, and they have long branches. Now, herbs. Herbs. Herbs like basils and mint are small plants. What are herbs? Small plants are called herbs. Right? For example, mint, basil, coriander, oregano, thyme, rosemary. They are herbs. They all are herbs. They are used as medicines. They all are also used to make food tasty. Herbs are used for make medicines and they use in food as well to make it tasty. See, shrubs or bushes. What are shrubs? Shrubs or bushes are they are not tall as they are not tall as trees, but they are woody plants with short stems and thorny branches. For example, rose, hibiscus, carnation, lotus. These all are flowers. They come in the category in shrubs and bushes. They are not tall as tree, but they are woody plant and they have short branches. Creepers. Creepers like watermelon are weak plants. They cannot grow straight without support. They grow and cover a lot of ground. Creepers are those plants who grow on the ground and they cover a lot of ground. They are weak plants. They are not very strong like other plants. They are very weak plants. In creepers we have watermelon, melon, pumpkin. Okay, see, climbers. Climbers have soft stems. What are climbers? Which type of plants of climbers are? Climbers have soft stem. They need support to grow straight, such as wall or fence. Climbers are those plants those have very weak stems. They need support to grow straight, such as wall. What which support they need? Wall or fence. And which type of plants they are? Grapevine, money plant, and pea plant. These plants need support. Now here match these trees to their names. Okay, here are the pictures and here are the names. You are going to match it. Okay, now what are the different parts of a plant? A plant has different parts, made up of different parts. It has roots, stem, fruit, leaf, flower. Okay, plants are have made up of different parts. Okay, here you are label the parts of a plant. What are you are doing? Here you are going to label the parts of a plant. Roots, leaf, stem, flower. Now here we are going to tell what are the functions of a plant. Root. What is the function of the root? Root is grow under the ground. Where they grow? They grow under the ground, and they hold the plant in the soil. What's the function of the plant? A root, they help the plant. They hold the plant in the soil. They also take water in from the soil to the plant. What they take? They absorb the water from the soil and and uh, and give it to the plant. It absorbs the water from the soil and give it to the plant. Okay. Now stem. Okay. Stem bears almost all the parts of a plant above the ground. The stem carries water from the roots to the leaves and food from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. As you know that plant make their own food, so what the stem do, stem carries water to the other part of a plant. They take water to the leaves, and leaves make their food. Plants make their food in the leaves, and it carries the food to the other part of the plant. When the plants are different, the stems are also different. There are different types of stems. Some stems are green, some stems are woody, some stems are thin, some stems are thick. Okay, there are different types of the plants, and when the plants are different, their stems are also different. Leaf. The leaf is like a little factory that make food for the plants. As I told you before, the plants make their own food and they make their food in the leaves. So the function of a leaf is like a factory that make food for plant. The food is then carried to the different parts of the plant by the stem. The food they make here for the plant, who took to the other part of the plant? Stem took the food from the leaf to the other part of the plant. Okay. Now we have the topic of flowers. Flowers are usually the most attractive part of a plant. Okay. Some flowers are big and some are tiny. Some flowers are big and some are tiny. Some flowers are smell sweet and some flowers stings. Okay, like raw rotten meat. Okay. Flowers grow from buds. Some flowers have many petals, other have a few. Some flowers have many petals and other have the few. Some petals are small, others are large. Some petals are small and other petals are large. See? Now, fruits and seed. A flower can develop into a fruit which may contain seed. These are some seeds that are found in the different fruits. Inside each seed is a tiny new plant. See? Apple, orange, avocado. So, a flower can be developed into a fruit. Okay? Given air, water, and warmth, the tiny plants will grow into an adult plant. Given air, water, and warmth, the tiny plant will grow into an adult plant. See, seed is come in this take, then in small plant and in other plant. This is a life cycle of a plant. This is a life cycle of the plant. Just like animals, plants grow from young. See, small plant, then come in this stage, then come in this stage, and this come in a big plant. Like humans as well. Okay. Now this is the what is the topic for what was in the topic. This topic is about plants. Plants are living thing and they are habitats of other animals. There are different types of trees, herbs, shrubs, creepers, and climbers. There are different parts of plant. This is a plant and they have different parts, and what are their functions. Each part has its own function. Okay. Now, fascinating fact: bamboo is one of the fastest growing plant in the world. It can grow up to 100 centimeter a day. Isn't it? Okay. The saguaro cactus is one of the slowest growing plant. In 10 years, it only grow 2.5 centimeter. See, these are the fascinating facts. Okay, now I think you can understand the chapter very clearly. Now, Allah Hafiz.